everyone, this is Matt, trainer for the NTCA. I want to welcome you to today's episode of Tile TV. Today I want to bring to your attention one of my favorite parts of the NTCA Reference Manual. When you look through this book, there's a ton of great information, and included in that information is what they have that's called sample letters. These sample letters are written to help us as tile contractors to communicate to other people such as general contractors, architects, designers, specifiers, and make them aware of issues that we have within the tile industry. And these topics, there's about 16 of them, are going to range from things like concrete flatness, setting tile over gypsum, lighting issues, epoxy grouts. So there's a wide array of these pre-written letters. And the beauty of these is the NTCA committee that puts this book together has already spent the time to help you and give you this resource so that you can copy and paste essentially this letter and help you communicate better with the people that we're working with on a daily basis. I'm going to point out one or two of these letters and kind of just briefly what they say as an example. So these are two that I used in my business for a long time, and one of them has to do with penetrations through our shower waterproofing, or waterproofing in general. When you think about a shower being built, the tile guy spends all this time, resources, and money to waterproof a shower. And then the glass guy shows up and he drills holes, and the plumber shows up and he drills holes through our tile and our waterproofing, and then maybe a handyman comes by or another trade comes by and puts in grab bars and shelves and all these accessories, and we end up with a dozen penetrations through our waterproofing, right? And so there's a letter in here that addresses that and encourages other ways besides penetrating. And it says if penetrations are made, how to properly fill those penetrations so that we don't end up with issues with our shower because the waterproofing was penetrated. Another example that is talked about in one of these sample letters would be talking about critical lighting and the placement of the lighting. So we can do a great job and have flawless tile work, but if we have bad lighting and what lighting that comes down a wall, it might cast a shadow and make a grout joint that with different lighting would look great, but it might make it look like we have lippage, and it'll cast shadows on our lighting. So it explains to the lighting professionals, the people that pick where the lighting goes, maybe the architect or the designers, how to place that lighting. And so again, this is a resource for you that you can copy and paste and put your letterhead on it, and it's already professionally written, and it saves you time and energy from writing these documents. So again, this is Matt with the NTCA, and I want to just thank you for watching this episode.